In this video, I'll show you how to make Windows 11 faster. The first thing you should do is enable Storage Sense. For that, click on Search button on the bottom of screen and simply search for Settings in the search bar. Once you're in Settings, go to System and then click on Storage. Here you'll find an option called Storage Sense. Turn this option on. Storage Sense automatically deletes junk and temporary files from your computer, helping you free up space and improve performance. After enabling it, click on Cleanup Recommendations and then select See Advanced Options. Now check all the boxes except for Downloads. If you check Downloads, it will delete your downloaded files as well, so make sure to uncheck that one. Once done, click on Remove Files. This will clear clutter from your C drive, making your Windows 11 run smoother and faster. The next step is to adjust your privacy settings to reduce background activity. Go to Privacy and Security in Settings and click on General. Here, turn off all the options to stop Windows from collecting unnecessary data and showing personalized ads. Then go back to Privacy and Security and select Speech. Turn off online speech recognition if you don't use any speech-to-text features. Next, go back to Privacy and Security and click on App Permissions. Start with Location. If you don't use any apps that require location services like Maps, you can safely turn it off. Go to Apps and then select Installed Apps. Scroll through the list and uninstall programs you don't use. Windows 11 comes with many pre-installed apps, and removing them can free up storage and memory. Uninstalling unused apps also stops their background services, freeing up system resources for more important programs. That's it.